Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to your maths class. Now students, come to book page number 135. Students, today we will write numbers name on book page number 135. Students, look here, which number is this? 1. Now we write here the spelling of 1, O-N-E 1. Which number is this? 2. T W O 2. 3. What's the spelling of 3? T H R double E 3. 4. F O U R 4. What comes after 4? 5. Now we write here the spelling of 5. F I V E 5. 6. Now we write here the spelling of 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. What comes after 7? 8. Now we write here the spelling of 8. E I G H T 8. What comes after 8? 9. Now we write here the spelling of 9. N I N E 9. 10. What's the spelling of 10? T E N 10. Students, do your work properly because this time we will not revise same work in class. Now students, it's your turn. Complete book page number 135. Allah Hafiz.